Welcome to Simple Daily English. Hi, I'm Lily. It is Friday night. My friend Max and I are exhausted. We worked all week. We don't want to cook. We don't want to wash dishes. We decided to do the best thing in the world: order a pizza. But ordering a pizza is not as easy as it sounds. This is a story about hunger, choices, and how a perfect pizza saved our Friday night. I am so hungry, Max. My stomach is growling.
I'm with you, Lily. My stomach is making loud noises.
Let's look at the menu. Which place should we order from?
How about Tony's Pizza Palace? They have a 5-star rating.
That sounds great. Open the app. Let's see the deals.
Hang on. It's loading. The internet is a bit slow tonight.
No problem. Take your time. I'm just looking at the pictures.
Okay, it's open. Wow. There are so many options.
Should we get one large pizza or two medium ones?
Do the math, Lily. One large is usually cheaper than 2 mediums.
True. But if we get one large, we have to agree on everything.
We are best friends. We agree on everything, right?
Usually, yes. But pizza is a serious business.
Okay, let's start with the base. Thin crust or thick crust?
I like thin crust. It's crunchy. What do you think?
I prefer a thick crust. It's like a soft cloud of bread.
I see. You want the cloud, and I want the crunch.
Don't worry. It's not a big deal. We can get the hand-tossed style.
That's a perfect compromise. It's right in the middle.
Great. Now, the sauce. Classic tomato or white garlic sauce?
I love garlic, but it's late. Maybe classic tomato is safer?
I agree. Classic tomato it is. Now comes the hard part. The toppings.
The toppings. I'll go first. I want mushrooms. Lots of mushrooms.
I like mushrooms too. They are earthy and delicious. Good choice.
Your turn. What is your must-have topping?
I really want pepperoni. It's a classic for a reason.
I'm okay with pepperoni. It's a bit salty, but I like it.
Are you sure? If you don't like it, we can pick something else.
No. I like it. I'll handle it. I'll just drink more water.
You're the best. Okay, so we have mushrooms and pepperoni.
Should we add a vegetable? Maybe green peppers?
I like green peppers. They add a nice color.
And they are healthy. Well, a little bit healthy.
Exactly. It's basically a salad on a pizza.
I don't think that's how biology works, Max.
A guy can dream, Lily. A guy can dream.
Okay, what about pineapple?
Pineapple? On a pizza?
Some people love it. It's sweet and salty.
I know some people love it, but do you love it?
I think it's okay. But I know it's a very controversial topic.
I don't want to be mean, but pineapple feels like a fruit salad?
That's fair. Let's skip the pineapple. I don't want to ruin your night.
Thank you, Lily. You are a true friend. No pineapple today.
How about extra cheese? Everyone loves extra cheese.
Now you are talking. 3 types of cheese? Or 4?
Let's go crazy. 4 types of cheese.
Okay. Pepperoni, mushrooms, green peppers, and 4 cheeses.
That sounds like a heavy pizza.
It's a Friday night masterpiece. Oh,
What is it? Is it too expensive?
it's a little high. And the delivery time is 60 minutes.
60 minutes? I might be a skeleton by then.
We are running late for dinner. I should have ordered earlier.
Don't worry about it, Max. It's not your fault.
Wait! There is a priority delivery option for $2.
Does it make the pizza fly?
No, but it means the driver comes to us first.
Let's do it. My hunger is at a level 10.
Okay, adding priority delivery. Oh, wait.
What happened?
I think I just clicked double pepperoni by mistake.
Honestly, that sounds like a happy accident.
You don't mind?
Not at all. More pepperoni is always a good thing.
You are so easygoing. I love that about you.
And you are very careful with the order. We make a good team.
Done! The pizza is being prepared right now.
Great. Now we just have to wait.
What should we do for 40 minutes?
We could find a movie to watch.
Good idea. Something funny? Or an action movie?
Let's find a comedy. I want to laugh tonight.
Perfect. I'll look for a movie. and you can get the plates.
I can do that. And I'll get the napkins too.
Do we have any soda in the fridge?
I think we have some ginger ale and some orange juice.
Ginger ale sounds perfect with pizza.
I am so glad we did this, Max.
Me too, Lily. There is nothing better than pizza and a movie with a friend.
Wait, Max.
What's wrong? Did you find a spider?
No, I found a coupon on the fridge. It's for a free side of garlic bread.
Is it still valid?
It expires tomorrow.
Can we add it to the order?
I'll try to call them. Give me your phone. Hi, we just placed an order. Yes, for Max. I have a coupon for garlic bread. Oh, you can? Thank you so much. You are wonderful. Bye.
What did they say?
They said yes. They are adding the garlic bread for free.
Lily, you are a legend? That is amazing news.
I have my moments.
So, now we have a large pizza with extra pepperoni and free garlic bread?
This is turning into the best Friday night ever.
I agree. I'll go find that movie now.
And I'll get the glasses for the ginger ale.
Teamwork makes the dream work, Lily.
That is a very old saying, Max. But it's true. Hang on. A friendly, casual way to say, wait a moment.
It's not a big deal. Used to tell a friend that a problem is small and they shouldn't worry.
Running late. A common phrase used when you are behind your planned schedule.
I'll handle it. A way to offer help and take responsibility for a task.
Do the math. A playful way to show that a solution is logical or simple. I'm starving. A very common way to say, I am extremely hungry.
It's on me. A phrase used to say, I will pay for this.
Let's split the bill. To suggest that each person pays half.
I have a craving for pizza. When you really, really want to eat a specific food,
The pizza is piping hot. To describe food that is very fresh and hot from the oven.